People all over the world deal with some form of eye ailment, and the severity of these issues varies widely. The prevalence is predicted to increase annually, especially among the elderly. The health of your eyes depends on a wide variety of vitamins and food intake. Diabetes can cause retinopathy, AMD can cause vision loss, glaucoma can cause blindness, and cataracts can cloud your vision. Nutrition seems to have an influence on all of these conditions, even though they are caused by different things. Numerous vitamins are important for the health of the human eye. Vitamins and other nutrient-rich foods are the usual sources of these vitamins. However, the vitamin A, C, and E intake from food typically falls short of what our eyes require. Supplementing with vitamins is, thus, highly recommended. Listed below are supplements that are good for the eyes. 1. Vitamin A supplement. A healthy amount of vitamin A is required to keep the cornea clear, which is important for good vision. An increase in tear production caused by vitamin A facilitates the removal of foreign bodies from the eye. No night blindness or macular degeneration will occur. 2. Supplements with vitamin C. Vitamin C helps prevent the production of harmful free radicals when its levels are high. Since oxidation brought on by free radicals can cause harm to eye cells and eventually lead to various eye illnesses, this is of vital importance. Cataract risk was reported to be reduced with daily consumption of 490 mg of vitamin C. 3. Vitamin E medications. Cataracts in the elderly can be prevented by a variety of measures, one of which is the frequent consumption of vitamin E. Because of its antioxidant capabilities, this lessens the risk of cell damage from oxidative processes. Vitamin E supplements are not necessary if you consume vitamin E-rich foods regularly. Avocados, salmon, and dark green vegetables are all part of this category.